Sí. Un saludo especial para la gente hermosa de Canadá.
Muchas gracias.
Desde Cali, Colombia. Allá está haciendo frío, aquí no. A toda la gente beautiful de Canadá. You people, I love you forever. Hey, you're from Colombia. Hey, bye bye.
So let me just show you around this place so you know what amenities they have. They have the washrooms over this way here. Buenas. And then right here is where you, I think this is, no, that's not where I got the ticket. That's a little souvenir booth or something. Over here. It was a little confusing at first because we kind of automatically assumed that we go to the first little shelter place over there, but in fact this is where you get your tickets and you can get water, Gatorade, chips, snacks. Got a little stand here with juices and some kind of cake, ice creams, helado. Then over on this side here, there is an actual restaurant. I don't know what the prices are like though. It's kind of dark as you can see. But I'm sure they have your typical lunches. And in case I didn't mention it, there is an option to do rappel, but you obviously have to pay more for that. And I didn't even know about some of these other, I didn't know about a cave, Ferrata Inversa. Not sure what that is even, but anyway, there's the phone number if you want to give them a call. Buenas empanadas, damas y caballeros, ¿cómo estás? Well, today, myself and 3 friends are going to Cascada Juan Curi, which is about 35-40 minutes from San Gil in bus. And cost to get to the entrance was 7,000 pesos, and the entry fee here was 12,000 pesos for each person, each adult, which is about 450 Canadian, $3 US. So not too bad. And anyway, we're just going to spend the afternoon here, enjoy the various waterfalls, and it should be a little bit cooler here than in the town, which it's been pretty warm every day, like 27 to, oh, lots of people, 27 to 30 degrees. Well, I guess it should be expected. It's actually the day before Christmas, so popular place to come because people are coming to visit their friends and family from other towns, so this is one of the popular places to come. Mis amigos, Marcio, Monica, Cascada Juan Curi. The bigger part is further up. Yeah, lots of people here
No
today.
se puede agarrar de la cuerda.
And this is the main waterfall. But there is another one higher up. With all the people here, it's kind of hard to get shots and video, but not much you can do. But this is give you an idea of what it's like to be on at a popular spot with a lot of people. That's the way it is here. Down that way, there's a couple more waterfalls, but it doesn't seem like anybody else ever goes. I don't know if you're maybe not allowed, but last time they do have call them security people here to make sure that people are safe. But last time I was here, I just walked down there and the security guy, I presume he saw me, he didn't stop me, so I'm hoping we can go down there again. We have a new friend.
Oh yeah. He doesn't have another? Hey, it does have like a dollar. Definitely has another. He just wants to take it home. Yeah, I got it.
Alright, so we are going to head down to the other little waterfalls, which are actually quite nice. Another waterfall through there, but you can't really see it. One of the funny things about this is that I've come here 2 or 3 times before and I've explored all this, but the others have never even been to this spot, so I guess it's Aventuras con Thomas. Again, so it's a little hard to get good shots, but I know that my friends are very impressed with this lower area that they've never been to before, so this is a really exceptionally beautiful spot because what I call it has character. Sometimes you have big huge waterfalls and it's just a big blob of white, and as big as this, it isn't that impressive, but I actually prefer these kind of smaller waterfalls a lot of the time. So we actually have something new going on here. All this fencing, some of the ropes over here, this is all new, which explains why when we arrived here, there was a secondary entrance that we could have gone in, and we could have gone this way. So this is a really neat weeping wall up there, very green. It's kind of cool. The weeping wall. Here comes the scout troop.
Trying to.
Closest we're gonna get, but it's a pretty nice view at the small cascade right in front of it here. tiny little pool that one could soak in if they really wanted to. Let's check out where my friends are hanging out on the edge of a cliff where they do the rappel. Pretty hard to beat a view like this.
Sometimes it can be really good. You're like, takes off in there and it lands.
Contento?
Hey, very contento.
Alright, damas y caballeros, I think I'm going to sign off on this precarious cliff overlooking one of the waterfalls right here. If you ever have a chance to come to San Gil and visit Cascada Juan Curi, definitely do it because there's a few waterfalls as you can see from the video. It's nice and relaxing. Usually there's not very many people. I've been here when there's no more than 10 people total on a weekday, more than a normal month. So if you do get the opportunity to come here, I'll do a little 360. And we're going to head back to San Gil, catch the bus. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please consider giving me a thumbs up and subscribing. That would help my channel and let me know that you appreciate the time and effort that I put into making these videos. And so, until next time, remember, there is no you in Colombia. But hopefully, you can come visit this beautiful country someday. Until next time, hasta las tacos. Ciao.